Hey guys, so I'm just sharing my braids with you. I haven't worn braids in maybe going 5 years and I missed it so much. I had the urge to put some braids in and that's what I did. And these are like a hybrid. They're like a mashup of all the styles you can think of. A little Senegalese twist is in here, box braids, passion twist, and even the curly ends. I'm loving them. I don't think I can keep this hairstyle for maybe more than a week simply because my hair is peeking out all over. You can see my hair all over, but I just miss braids so much, so I was willing to like sacrifice, I guess, the integrity of my hair, which I don't recommend. I just missed it. Yeah, hope you like the little quick vibe, and it's more so just to show you that you can rock your braids and they're not perfect, but you can do them yourself. You know, if you want perfection, you can pay somebody to do them, but if you want to just put in some braids, feel free to do so. Yeah,
the hair I used is by Beauty Elements, their realistic line, and it's the Water Wave Bulk 24 inches in the color 1. I used 2 packs of the extra large size. You can pull on the ends to make it a little bit uneven. That way you will have the curly ends without having to completely twist to the end. The fluffier you want your braid to be, the more you should go ahead and fluff the hair. But bear in mind, this is synthetic, so you have to be somewhat gentle. I'm just using my favorite method, and that's the twist in method, twist from root. You can do the rubber band method if you prefer. I can't really handle the tension, so I stay away from the rubber band for that reason, but feel free to do it if you're more comfortable or you're less familiar with twisting in from the root. Also, you can plait from the root, because that's what I had to do for the middle portion of my hair. I had to plait then twist, so feel free to mix it up. I use a combination of styles to achieve the final look. If you want a more detailed tutorial, I will link the video where I show you how to twist from the root or to plait from the root, and those are pretty detailed tutorials, so feel free to check them out.